This was the first question from this year's junior third round. How many people did the third round, just out of interest? Was there at least one? I will take that as a yes. Okay, that is a yes, so that's 5. Okay, so this was the first question. This one is kind of um, well, it's an annoying kind of question because you're not sure like what exactly they're looking for. It says move one matchstick and replace it elsewhere to make the statement true. The Olympiad committee could only find 3 possible solutions, so bonus marks if you find more. So like it's not very well defined what a matchstick numeral should look like, but I suppose as long as it's plausible that what you've written is correct, then yeah, you would have probably got the marks. I know that I think some of the intended solutions was if you take this edge and move it there so that you get. There isn't really a methodical way to do this question. You just have to sort of play around until it works. So that's why I'm just going to go through the answers here because I don't know how to give motivation for doing what I'm doing. You could sort of just, in fact, maybe if you were sort of stuck on this one, the best thing to do in the actual paper would have been to go forward to the questions that you can approach more methodically and then come back and mess around with this until you find all the solutions that they indicate exists. I know that was probably one of the intended ones. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Let's see if I can. I know that one of the sort of. I don't know if this was one of the intended ones, but it was one of the ones I pointed out to the committee. So I don't know if this is one of the 3 possible solutions that are mentioned there. But one of the silly ways to, well, not silly, it's a valid way. It's true, it's correct, it works. One of the ways you can do this is you can take this little matchstick over there and move it over there so that it says that 5 minus 4 is 6 minus 4 is not equal to 4, which is in fact also a true statement. And now you know 6 minus 4 is 2. Oh, and this was. I wonder if this was one. I remember that there was a matchstick puzzle where, like, half of the intention is you're supposed to turn it upside down. Um, I hope this wasn't one of those. We need a third one. I think the 3 marks there are for one for each solution that you find. Oh, I think it. A similar spirit to the one that I just had with 6 minus 4 is a correct equation with the minus. We can move this one again and move it here to make a 8. So it says 8 minus 4 equals 4, which is also true. Can anyone, one of the matchsticks? Yes, I do think that one of the, turn it upside down to make it say h equal. That is creative but true, actually. Yes, that does work. 5 plus 4 is not equal to 4. Oh, yeah, but I've moved the one of the matches from the 5 to turn the 4 into a 9. Okay, so Benjamin has suggested turning this upside down so that it says h is equal to h plus 9, which is creative and true. Uh, and then move the 9 so it's h plus. No. Did anyone find anything other than these 3 solutions that I've put here so far, and other than whatever Benjamin just typed out in the chat? Oh, I see what. I see what you were suggesting. 5 kps. Sorry, I'm misinterpreted what you wrote. Yeah, that does work. That's a very good idea. So he's suggesting that or she, I'm not sure, or they are suggesting that instead of moving that there to make a 9 and make an equation that's actually correct, we do the same silliness with this not equal to and take this and move it there to make a not equal, because 5 plus 4 is not equal to 4. Okay, so now that we've gotten 4 out of 3 for this question, we can move on to the next one.